Hello guys, have a good time. I am Beharan and I am with you in the 11th Python language training session. In the previous session, I talked about getting information from the user and a mini project, and in this session, we will also review conditional statements. A simple definition that I would like to tell you about conditional statements is to consider a competition in which the first prize is gold, the second is silver, and the third is bronze. If a person is the first, they will give him a gold medal. If he is the second, he will be given a silver medal, and if he is the third, he will be given a bronze medal. Otherwise, he will not receive any medal. This was a general explanation of the concept of conditional statements that I told you that we will now thoroughly examine together. Well, let's go to the Visual Studio software and create a Python file. To write a conditional statement, we use the if statement, and now I will give you the same example of taking the prize so that you can understand it correctly. Well, I will write a variable called user rank and give it a value that I can reach my answer later based on it and the existing conditional statements. To write the first condition, I use if. First write the if, then write the condition in front of it, then make sure to put a colon after the condition. And after that, write the command you want in the next line, and you must also write the command pay attention to use text in it. To write the next condition, we use elif, which is the abbreviation of elif, and finally, we can use else, which is for comparison with all the previous conditions, and if all the previous conditions are not met, it executes the command. Well, now we will implement all the existing conditions, for example, getting a prize, so that you can fully understand the part of the conditional statements. As you can see, all conditions were implemented correctly and all our tests were successfully completed. Well, we will finish this session, and in the next session we will examine right and wrong, and I will teach to you. Until the next meeting, I hope you have a good day.